Happy Monday, everyone. Let's get into it because the macro backdrop keeps getting more extreme by the week. The US completed its 9th night of strikes on Iran, while Tehran launched a new wave of missiles, so the conflict that was supposed to end with a peace deal just keeps escalating. Beijing stepped in to stem China's stock market decline with $8.9 billion in purchases, showing even the world's second-largest economy needs government intervention to keep markets from falling apart. The US recorded 372 large company bankruptcies in the first 6 months of 2026, the highest first-half total in 16 years, which tells you the economy underneath the stock market headlines is under serious stress. National debt reached $39.5 trillion. The Strategic Petroleum Reserve sits at its lowest since April 1983. Inflation has stayed above the Fed's target for 64 consecutive months, while the Fed expands its balance sheet again, and Bitcoin and gold are the two worst-performing major assets year-to-date, so nothing has been safe this year. But here's what the smart money is doing. Bitcoin long-term holder supply hit a new all-time high, meaning the people with the strongest conviction are accumulating, not selling. Around 2,000 institutional investors reported Bitcoin holdings in their first quarter 2026 filings, and Michael Saylor hinted at buying more Bitcoin with a potential new announcement coming soon. The contrast between retail fear and institutional accumulation has never been wider, and historically that divergence resolves in favor of the accumulators. In altcoin news, Fox on Robinhood chain surged 102%, becoming the number 2 most viewed coin on CoinMarketCap. A major Japanese logistics group and Amazon delivery partner will begin paying carriers and drivers with the yen-backed stablecoin JPYC, which is a real-world stablecoin use case at scale. And Hyperliquid reached another record share of aggregate perpetual open interest versus centralized exchanges with HIP-4 outcome markets set to support permissionless deployment in a future upgrade. Make sure to follow, and I'll catch you right back here tomorrow.